A Brigit app update can change how repayment information appears, and checking your app version, bank connection, and account settings can help fix the problem. By the end, you'll know how to troubleshoot repayment issues after a Brigit update, refresh your account information, and what to do if the repayment details still look wrong. Start by checking whether the Brigit app is updated. Open your phone's app store, search for Brigit, and confirm you have the latest available version. App updates can change how features work, or how information is displayed. Next, open Brigit and review the repayment details shown in your account. Compare the information in the app with your expected repayment schedule. If something looks outdated, close the app completely and reopen it to refresh the connection. If the repayment information is still incorrect, check your linked bank account. Brigit relies on connected account information for certain features, so an outdated or disconnected bank connection can affect what appears inside the app. Open your account settings and confirm the correct bank account is connected. If you recently changed banks or updated your banking information, reconnect your account through Brigit. Follow the steps carefully and make sure you use the correct bank login information so the app can refresh the connection. Another troubleshooting step is signing out of Brigit and signing back in. This can refresh your account session and reload information that did not update properly after the app change. If the app is freezing, showing errors, or not loading repayment information correctly, restart your phone and try opening Brigit again. Temporary device issues can sometimes affect how apps perform after an update. Avoid deleting your Brigit account or creating a new account to solve a repayment issue. Keeping your existing account helps preserve your current information and account history. If the problem continues after checking your update, account connection, and login details, contact Brigit support through the app.di. Explain what changed after the update, what repayment information appears, and the steps you already completed. The key points are simple: update Brigit, verify your connected bank account, and refresh your account before contacting support. Your next step is to open Brigit. Check your repayment information and confirm that your linked account matches your current banking setup. If this guide helped you fix your Brigit app issue, subscribe for more step-by-step app fixes and personal finance guides.